What is good, my guys and girls of YouTube? I am Justin Omoe, and today I got a beat kit from a homie named Manny Keep, and he's gonna let me keep this because no takebacks. I did a stream yesterday, and the homie hit me up talking about it, and yeah, I really gotta establish my email better, the show Omoe, so I'll be checking that out. So if you got beat kits of your own, if you want to send it through for your boy, send it through and I'll, make a review. Shout out the homie, by the way. And yeah, like I said, the homie Manny Keep right here, he has a a Bandcamp account. Bandcamp Camp. Well, anyways, Bandcamp, you can see all this stuff over here, SoundCloud, as well as the YouTube Manny Keep. So you know what? Keep up the good work. That's what I gotta say. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what's inside. So right off the bat, I'm not like gonna critique or anything, but usually when I get beat kits or somebody sends stuff to me, they'll have like a README file with their information on it and or like album art on it. So if you put that in there, that'll be good for people to be able to refer back to you. So let me go ahead and drop this in right here. Open and bam, bizzles, boom, and I'm gonna drop it right there. So your name is there, and here is the kit. Ready? Oh, they have the scale. He has the scale names or keys on it. So that's on D. That's on C, D, F. Ooh, that's a long one. There's a fat saturation at the end of that. You know I like ramen noodles. Alright. So it's pretty banging real quick, you know what I mean? Okay. I see ya. I'm not that much of a loop guy myself, but I do know there's some good like texturing loops that you could throw over your beats that makes it, more thickened. Okay, this is the one right here. I'm gonna try and make a beat, by the way. Defense mode activated. I don't know if y'all saw me before, but I made a beat kit, or I was working on one, and I named them all based on different video game stuff. By the way, speaking of mastering, I do mixing and mastering. If you want to hit your boy up, it is JustinOmoe.com. Don't mean to plug myself, but yeah. 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 Nice pace. You know what I suspect? When I got this new audio interface, it like opened up a new spectrum for me. Like I was beginning to hear sounds that I never heard when I was using like the Focusrite Scarlett 2i4. It opened up sounds like, for example, if you had like a flanger on the Scarlett, I wasn't able to hear squat, but with the Claret that I have now, the 18i20 USB or whatever it's called, I started hearing those sounds. So perhaps maybe that's something that's happening here. Either that or the headphones. It's a little too hard in my opinion. Not like we can't adjust it though, but oh, this one has a click at the side. Let me see. Yeah, right. If I had Wavelabs, I probably would have been able to chop that out. Let me see if I could just delete that there and then fade it. Yeah, something like that. Boom. Alright. Alright, let me do the little I remember those sounds. that was the wave back then. Golly. Okay. I like that. I like that a lot. Riser. Ooh, that's a nice little. Sounds pretty. It's like a YouTube sound. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I do have a snare. I was about to say I didn't go through the snare. I like this sound. I do like it, but I want to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. I wonder if I could tune this to that. Matter of fact, let's go here. Control V it a couple times. And drop this in there. And guessing the way to do this out is just to stretch it. So I'm gonna double click, go to time stretching, stretch it, and then Shift M, and then drag it out so it lines up with these things. And with this. Okay. Let's have this move left and right just because. Just because. I guess the last thing to do is to create a little melody, right? Damn phone. It's a key of A, third progression, add 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I gotta remember all those chords. There's a lot of damn chords, man. Okay, I think I got it. Fingertips. Hold on, I forgot the main thing. 808. We're in A, so let's try with A. Actually, I don't know. Maybe this will work. Let me see if this is tuned. So it's in D, but the key is not in D, so. Plays fine. I'm confused. I'm confused. This detect. So this in D. It's D indeed. Okay. Yeah, I'm convinced. So I'll have to put this in D right here. So that's what you have to do when you tune it. So you gotta put that there. I don't know if this saves when you save the WAV file. I don't recall that. There was a way to save it though. I guess that I don't remember, but there was a way to do that. So yeah. So keeping sure when you guys and girls are tuning your stuff, you know, that's how you do it. Or maybe let me right click, insert oscillator. I'm pretty much in this right now. I've been recording for 30 minutes, godly. I wanted this to be like a 10-minute thing. All that right there, that's from the homie Manny right there. And it sounds pretty groovy. What do y'all think? I have a custom to liking the higher pitch sounds. As weird as it sounds, but yeah. Alright, that's the homie right there, Manny Keep. Let me bring up that thing real quick, you know what I mean? Bring it back. So here's his band Camp. I said it right this time. And his YouTube if you want to check him out. Links will be in the description below. Let me know, was it cool? Did it feel nice to y'all? And yeah, if you guys and girls have submissions, let me see if I can figure out my email. Oh my god, people sent me stuff in. Look at me. I'm sinning. Oh my lord, look at all this. Oh wait, is this spam? Yeah, just make sure you title it appropriately. And yeah, if I get a lot of people, then that's what's up. Look. Ace Banks. Oh my goodness. So cool. And yeah, don't come with me with the buying license shit. I'm not trying to buy anything. But yeah, it's your boy Justin Omoe. With that being said, peace. I'm out. And have yourselves a damn good one.